Ayan guys, so nagawa na natin. So 38 hours left na lang guys. So tapos na natin yung mga tasks. Now, may mga bagong tasks sa Zilly. So kailangan natin gawin. Don't forget to join my road to 10,000 subscribers here in my YouTube channel. And of course sa aking Facebook page as well. Marami akong exciting, more upcoming prizes. And huwag natin patagalin pa. Pag-usapan na natin ito in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go guys!
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Imagine. For today's video, i-update ko kayo or quick update lang to regarding kay Melon Token dahil naglabas sila ng campaign sa Gleam for giveaway ng worth 0.13 ETH guys. Winner will be randomly selected on Monday guys. So this coming Monday, so today is Sunday, September 3 ng 12 midnight na guys. So ang kailangan nyo lang is gawin yung mga tasks. So lalagay lang sa description box down below yung mismong link para at least diretso na kayo sa mismong page neto guys. So 2 days left na lang nakalagay dito. I think siguro iba yung nila time zone kasi kaya 2 days left siya. So may 256 entries. So kailangan na lang gawin is yung username nyo ilalagay nyo ng inyong Twitter para doon kung saan nyo finalo yung mismong Melon Twitter account nila. And then of course, you need to write your full name and of course, your email address. And of course, check the notification box. And after that, you need to verify, guys. Either Telegram, Facebook, Google, or Instagram. So I'm going to use Google as well. So dahil yun na naman din, same lang din naman yung ginamit ko ng email. Here na nila, guys. So, ayan. Ilalagay na natin dito. So, kiklik nyo lang. Ayan, double click. Sorry. So after that, ay lalabas na yung 8 ways to enter guys. So now, ayan. So kung ano yung username. And then you need to verify para at least na you know na totoo ka talaga, hindi bot. And then click again. And then, ayan. So first, kailangan nyo nga i-follow. So just click follow guys. Okay, naka-follow na kayo way back before, you need to click the follow pa rin. So ayan. So, balik lang kayo and then after that, continue para lumabas. Kasi kung hindi, katulad kanina na ayaw lumabas. So, kailangan nyo i-click pa rin. So, click join Discord, guys. Kailangan nyo silang i-follow sa kanilang Discord. So, accept invite and then kailangan nyo gawin yung verification of their Discord. So, ayan, click solve CAPTCHA para ma-verify your account. So, kailangan lang pumili kung ano yung nakalagay dyan na CAPTCHA. And then, once that, so, okay na siya. Once na okay na, balik kayo doon. And then, click continue. And then, next, ayan. So, pag kinontinue, kailangan i-authorize nyo again. And then, ayan, check na siya. And then, retweet, Melon, itong mismong nakalagay sa kanila. Kung ano yung tweet nila. So, i-repost nyo lang siya, guys. And then, of course, i-follow nyo na and i-heart. So, na-tweet ko na siya before. And then, click continue. Kasi paminsan kadalasan, same lang din siya ng Zilly task. Kasi kapag may bagong tinatask din sa Zilly. So, na ko na rin pala siya. So, eto, ayan, kailangan nyo i-retweet din yung kanilang pag-giveaway sa Gleam. So, just copy the link, of course, and then input yung hindi na pala. Nasa isip ko doon kakasabi ko Zilly. Kakaisip ko kay Zilly kasi gano'n yung ginagawa. Anyway, so next, Ethereum address. Kung ano yung Ethereum wallet na nilink nyo. Actually, mas okay na kung ano nilink ko sa mismong Ethereum ninyo sa inyong Melon na airdrop. So, yun na lang din yung gamitin nyo guys para iisa na lang, diba? And then, when is the Melon IDO? Of course, it's very, very easy. September 10th. So, September 10th na siya ilo-launch guys. So, let's hope na maging bullish siya. Medyo yung mga airdroppers is medyo nawawala ng pag-asa due to pababa yung mga nabibigay ng airdrops. I think kasi marami na nag-farm or nag-iiging airdropper as well. But of course, swertihan na nga lang daw. Yun ang sabi nila. So let's hope na this melon will be bullish at malaki yung yung ibigay nila. Diba? So anyway, ayan, sorry. Kailangan kasi i-visit kung saan yung airdrop nila. Kailangan i-visit yon is one of the task as well. So after that, later on, check natin yung kung magkano na yung natin, potions natin. The higher potions, the much better para mas malaki yung possible na makuha na airdrop. So next is, okay na, nagawa na natin. And then, ayan, the last one is share with you kung magkakaroon, pwedeng i-share your link para at least kung may mag-sign up for something like this one, magkakaroon kayo ng additional 1 point, guys. So, you never know. Malay nga naman, may mag-sign up, diba? Or mag-sign up for this one na nag-melon din, diba, na hindi nila alam. So, now, okay na. And then, of course, pag may mga ganito silang task, magkakaroon din ng task sa Zilli. So, I don't know kung may post ko siya. I'll try my best to post within this day, guys, this Sunday, September 3. So, I'm going to sleep first.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, so it's 5 p.m. na ngayon. Sorry. So 38 hours na lang left. Kailangan ko muna kasing gawin itong sa Zilli. I forgot. Super antok na ako kanina. So mag-alaon na kasi kanina. So now, kailangan natin gawin din ito, guys. Sayang din naman kung kasi after ng magawa yan, kinabukasan is manalagdagan yung inyong potions. So, ayan, gawin natin yung mga banibagong mga tweets. The more na magawa nyo, mas marami, the more tasks you did, the more potions na makuha nyo. Especially kung malay nyo, diba, mag-bullish siya at malaki yung ibigay nga. Especially naka-Ethereum network naman siya. And ang mga mababa naman ngayon is kadalasan Binance Network or ano ba yung sa mga Cosmos ata yung sabi nila. So let's hope so far naman is sa Ethereum network is okay naman daw. So let's hope na maging okay ito. Although si Melon is not a real token, it's just a meme token, guys. So katulad siya ni PayPay token. So let's hope na katulad siya ni PayPay token na mag-bullish, which is okay naman yung kanyang token. And ang ganda naman yung pagkakagawa nila, diba? So ang cute ng so let's hope it will be bullish. So madali naman, gagawin nyo lang yung mga task. Yun nga lang, diba? Medyo matrabaho nga lang yung task nila. And paminsan kadalasan paulit-ulit nga lang na you're going to retweet, especially this here in a Zilli quest, na kailangan niya talagang i-retweet, i-like, i-repost, or you need to comment. So yun naman yung kadalasan ng mga tasks here kay Zilli, which is kapag may panibago silang lagyan, may pinuos sila sa Twitter, so another task for Zilli, which is another potions na you can get. So malapit na siya ma-launch, so September 10. So just few days na lang, guys. And but the giveaway until Monday, I think Tuesday here sa Philippines, kasi kung nakalagay dyan is diba 38, so almost 48 hours. 2 days kanina, diba? So I think mga madaling araw siya, or at least 8 a.m. siguro by Tuesday. So ganon. So kanila is Monday, but here sa Philippines, it will be on Tuesday, I guess. So, mamimili naman sila. So, let's hope na, diba? Sayang din naman ako kung manalo ng 0.13 ETH. My God, how much is that? Diba? So, malaki-laki nga. Pwede na yung pang gamit sa mga airdrops as well. And pwede na rin siyang gawing pang bayad sa mga gas fees. For sure, kasi once na inano nyo yan, withdraw, may gas fees na kailangan i-shoulder. So, if you don't have gas fee for ETH network, hindi nga rin siya So, kailangan meron kayo naka-reserve na gas fees. Make it sure na, guys, nangyari again sa friend ko na nahack yung kanyang MetaMask. Sabi ko nga, ihiwalay nyo yung mga NFTs na for MetaMask, ihiwalay nyo rin yung for your main wallet, ihiwalay nyo rin for airdrops. Para at least clean lahat yan, guys. So now, ayan, I already have 4,750 from Zilli Quest, guys, ha. So, overall, 7,250 yung aking potions. So, let's hope na itong ginawa ko is madagdag ulit. So, ayan, natapos na natin. I think 7 lang yung aking entries. But, we never know. Sa 7 entries na mapili yung isa. So, ayan. I-update ko lang kayo again kay Malon. Just few days left na lang guys ang ating hintayin, ang ating pupuyatin. Dahil September 10th, it will be their launch day guys. So, doon na magkakaalaman. Kaya gawin nyo na ito. Sayang naman 37 hours left guys. Or less than once na pinost ko to take ito guys. So, I will try my best. So, until next time guys. Goodbye!